In our first community conversation, we're joined by Cano with Legal Aid Justice Center. He's sitting down with Aaron.
John, it's great having you here today, and nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you for having us.
You are very welcome. So today we just wanted to sit down and kind of hear about life for immigrants here in our community and talk about, how life has changed for them and maybe the past few months or years. How have what are you hearing from the immigrant community here in Central Virginia?
Yeah, absolutely. Things have changed a lot in the last 2 months, especially with the change of administration in the White House. A lot of folks have been worried with what's going on, possible narrative that's been happening from the White House, what he's saying, is it true or not, and asking what their rights are in different areas, especially with the rescinding of the sensitive location policies. Folks were concerned. Where are my rights if I go to the hospital? What are my rights if I go to my place of worship? Is it safe to have send my children to school?
Okay. And what are some things that the community can do to support people who might be feeling stressed or worried or anxious about some of the things you mentioned?
Yeah, absolutely. There's a lot of different opportunities. The folks here in Central Virginia can provide support. Definitely Uplifting Sin Barreras. They are a great organization based here in Charlottesville that provides direct services and representation for our immigrant siblings, from doing representation through accredited representatives, providing resources, whether it's health, mental, so definitely providing support to them and seeing how you can volunteer. There's a lot of different ways that folks can provide direct support without having a legal background or immigration focus. With that being said, there's other efforts that can be done. There's this campaign called Virginia for Immigrant Families that provides direct support. If folks see ICE, they can call that number, and there's live operators that can explain their rights in different scenarios. So for folks that are bilingual, definitely they can volunteer to operate with this hotline. They'll be receiving trainings on how to provide support in different areas, and also providing accompaniment for individuals, whether it's going through the immigration hearings, whether it's providing that safe space, going to different areas such as hospitals, places of worship, or their schools in case they're afraid to go with their families and loved ones.
Okay, so there's quite a few different ways to show support.
Yes.
Very nice. And where can people get more information?
Yeah, they can visit our website at justiceforall.org. We have an amazing family emergency preparedness toolkit on preparing power of attorneys, standby guardianship, the difference between a judicial and administrative warrant, where in your home you have the most protections. We have updated Know Your Rights videos in Spanish and English with everything that has changed in the past few months.
Very nice. Well, thank you so much, John, for coming in. We appreciate you offering that insight. So thank you so much.
How do we do that?
You're very welcome. All right, Steve, over to you.